What is up, Canada? My name is Parminder and this is Gear Mantra, and today we have on the table beautiful Pena Lanny's clip. Look at that beauty. So this is a front flipper. So what Enrique Pena did is converted like the classic designs like the Lanny's clip, Barlow and Raptor and other models into a modern folder. So this is a front flipper. Look at that beauty. Nice hand rub on the blade. Nice beautiful micarta on this one. A shield over here, just like the classic version. Look at the lockup, perfect lockup. And I like how he added G10 in between the stainless and the micarta in the line over here as well. It looks beautiful. It's pure beauty. Overall length on this particular model is a little bit closer to 7 inches, and the blade is 3 inch. Nice, beautiful, and that makes this knife a perfect EDC carry. Look at my hand, perfect. It fits perfectly in my hand. There is no hot spot. What Enrique Pena did is he didn't put any clip on these ones because he wants to give that a classy classic look of slip joint. So that's why there is no clip on it. Optionally, it comes with optional. You pay separate for the leather slip if you want from Enrique Pena, and you can have that, or you can carry it as it is. You can slip it in your pocket, right? So look at that. Beautiful knife, hands down one of the beautiful ones I have seen. I like how he picked like the colors on this one as well. And that is it for all today, guys. And if you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching Gear Mantra.